Hi guys. Oh, lamig. This is bird watching. This is Jessie Quetz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Yes, ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba yan? Sana hindi malaglag ang phone ng lola nyo. Ayan. This is my neighborhood for today. Ayan, I'm sitting on a bench. Kanya lang yung mga peg ng mga tao dito. Malinis yung bench nila despite of so windy. Oh, so windy guys, grabe. So windy. Ayan. So windy. Yan ang mga life ng mga people dito. Tingnan natin, ayan. That is actually a tram. You can see. That is a tram guys. O, diba? Cute! Alam, diba? Ganda ba? Ayan, this is my neighborhood.
A few moments later.
Walk a little bit, and then I went to the Blue Boat Canal Cruise, guys. So I bought the tickets over here. It cost me 20 euros, and she asked if I wanted coffee. So I said I want coffee since I didn't have coffee. And here is my spot on the boat, the last one, because this boat is sailing in 15 minutes. I was just about on time. So anyways, it's okay to be at the end so I can see everything, hopefully. So let's start with the tour, and let's just wait for the others to come, because ETD, or estimated time of departure for this boat, is 11:15 Amsterdam local time. So the lady told us, the conductress or whatever, she said, "Oh, have a seat, but get one headset, and then choose the language you want." So it has anyways instruction on the table, so you just put your headset, and it will tell you about the places that we're gonna pass by. So this is the view from my window. Yes, this is the panel where you insert your headset and listen to the language that you prefer. Instruction is over there on the table. Yes. And as you passes a building or a historical or touristic place, it will play and explain what is it place. During the canal cruise, there are also some parts that the narrator will say, "Heads up," prepare your camera. There's in consecutive canals like that. So you have to be ready all the time. Unfortunately, I was so busy taking other side of the canal, and then I missed that one. Anyways, it's a very educating, and if you want to tour the entire city, this is the best way. Ride a canal cruise, or do ride the boat like that. It doesn't have to be big boat. There are different kinds of tourist attraction or how to go around the canal. Anyways, it is also explained why the houses or the buildings in Amsterdam are like tight and like it has a height because of the taxation. They have one period that they said taxes are much high if you pay by the width of the size of your property. So they made it like in heights, but actually it's very big inside. O, diba? That's it. Let's continue to watch the view.
Maintenant, il n'y a plus de vagues. Ah ouais, avant, il y avait des vagues.
If you observe there this side of the canal, they you saw a wider houses, wider building. It means that the elite or uh, middle class or higher class are living over here. And if you can see also there's a flea market. Yes, they have also flea market over here. There's also a Jewish side where they live, and much more. So watch with me. Amsterdam is a city of museum also and arts. They love it. So this blue greenish building, it's also a museum, guys.
Est-ce qu'il y a écrit Nemo?
Well, guys, this is one example of how they clean the canal, and also there are real fishes and some, what do you call that, fishes, some swans, is it swan, living in the canal. See, you can see over there, this is how clean the water is. Imagine.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
Well, you can see both houses also, guys, right? Because during the time that Amsterdam was booming, and the place or the city has become overcrowded. There's not even a single space to build your own house. So some of the locals or who settled here, they had boat houses instead. Oh, so there are, until now there are people who's living over here, but see the boat houses, it's not moving. It's steady. Look, it's so beautiful as well.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen. Because
There you go, guys. We're almost done with our tour. I hope you enjoy it as well as I did. But the rest of the stories, of course, I leave it all up to you. So you have to come and enjoy Amsterdam. But for now, this is what I've shown you. This is what a canal cruise looks like. Bridges and structural architecture, and why the houses are built like this in Amsterdam, why people have so many bikes more than the population of the city, the bridges that they build, why it's like that, and so many more. My misconception, I mean my conception, yeah, I what do you call this, I judge it before I come. Oh, judgmental lang ang lola nyo, charot. But when you come and see the city, it's totally different. Yes, because all I know before, it's just famous for weeds, for the red street light. But it's actually also good for family touristic place like this. You can enjoy with your family Amsterdam. Yes, right? And it's a beautiful city, guys. Believe me. Yun lang, charot. And shout out to all those people, the tools God has used to help me, to help my journey worthwhile in Amsterdam. Later. Bye. Watching. And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias, and let's be friends. Later.